Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing green peas sandwich recipe, ideal as a meal for breakfast or as a quick dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating my kadai with 1 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, add in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera splutters, reduce the flame to the lowest and add in half cup fresh green peas. Instead of fresh green peas, you can also use boiled green peas. Half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. Give it a stir. Add in 1/4 cup water. Cover and let it cook until done. 5 minutes later, open the lid and the green peas are nicely cooked. Turn off the flame and allow it to cool down completely. For the green masala, into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in a handful of roughly chopped coriander leaves, 2 green chilies. Green chilies you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Half inch ginger roughly chopped. 1/4 teaspoon whole black peppercorns. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. Juice of half a lemon. Add in the boiled and cooled green peas. Grind all this coarsely. Okay, now everything is coarsely grounded. I did not add any extra salt as I added enough salt while boiling the green peas. For the sandwich, I am using 2 slices of my homemade sourdough bread. Place 2 tablespoons of the filling on the bread slice and spread it out evenly. Cover it with the other slice and lightly press it down. You can toast the sandwich on a grill pan, on a sandwich toaster or on a tawa. With this filling you can make 2 sandwiches. Leftover filling can always be stored in the refrigerator and it will stay good for up to 3 days. To toast the sandwich, I am lightly heating my cast iron tawa with about a teaspoon of wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use A2 desi ghee or any wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, I'm placing the sandwich bread on top and then I'm placing something heavy like a skillet on top. This will help to seal the sandwich and also will help in even toasting. 1.5 to 2 minutes later, remove the skillet from top. Drizzle in a little bit of wood pressed groundnut oil on top of the sandwich bread. Carefully flip the sandwich over and toast the other side as well. I'm placing the skillet back on top and allow it to toast for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. 1.5 to 2 minutes later, remove the skillet from top and serve the sandwich onto a plate. You can see how crispy this sandwich has turned out. I like to slice a sandwich just before serving. And my super healthy green peas sandwich is ready to serve. You can enjoy this sandwich with the chutney or any sauce of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy Matar sandwich and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.